My first review, y'all. My first review. Yes, I am crazy. I'm crazy. So, this is about boobs, honey. Now, if you know me, you know I don't wear bras. Now, here's the thing. Recently, the breast cup has changed. One of them sayings where it's like, oh, you gained in all the right places. Well, not in my arms. Really hate that. But, honey, I got it. Back on topic. So, I was sent this. Lord, darn big on the way. I was sent this. So, the concept is for those instances when you don't want to wear a tacky bra that has the strap showing on the sides, which is where I come from. Like, before I do that, I'm just not going to wear a bra. And again, my breast size has changed since, but I still don't. Okay? Now, because I have this tape, I will be more cognizant of how my breasts look, and I will actually have something to run to. It's so funny, once I got the email asking me to review this, I was in search of some kind of tape. I had heard so many reviews like, oh, a lot of times the bra tape doesn't work. So I'm just like, okay, is it worth it? And again, with my little tits changing in size, I was like, well, it might not work. So I said, well, what's the harm in giving this a try? So when I posted it, I had a friend who did a review already, and guess what size she is? A 40-something triple D. So for all the people who felt like this wouldn't work, we have a testimonial amongst us. Now, what I will say is the way she taped her boobs in her video, it's for the big titty girl who wears a lot of stuff on their arms and doesn't really show much skin. She did, however, suggest the alternative, which is to wrap it this way around you. So, you need help. You need some help. Okay? I didn't snap my bodysuit all the way, so that's why it looks kind of odd. But here's the thing. Okay? If you're like me, you live at home alone. You need help. So, I want to show you the inside. So, inside you have 2 rows. Like, they give you a lot. 2 rows. My honest review is, this is great. I do feel like it will hold you up. The true test, I think, would be with moisture to see, like, because a lot of times girls that wear certain things that require this bra tape or boob tape, you'll be going out. So the best test, I think, would be actually going out and seeing with the moisture does it stay. Now, luckily, because of my bra size, I just did it here. Some of the more heavier in the chest women may want to take it up. But with me, I just kind of did it to bring it together because I have a lot of side boob. So I brought it in so I could be more centered. So hopefully you guys are able to see the difference. I didn't use a lot of tape. I just used like 1 slab. So it went from here over to here. But the issue is, there's the inside. So with the inside, it's peelable. But once you peel it off, you have to be ready to apply. So what happened to me was, when I applied, it didn't stay. So like, this is a dull scissor. So I will also suggest a very good scissor, because this tape is not playing. It's definitely quality tape. So keep that in mind. You see this? Scissor slips. But either way, this is the adhesive that's here that will help stick it to your skin. So it will just go here, and literally, if you wanted to slide your boob up. Now, for the sake of nudity. I'm not doing it on camera, but that's just a demonstration of how you would put it on if you wanted to do it that way. Now for me, in this top, I wouldn't dare try to put it on my own, because I'm sure you see like the lumpiness, because I was trying to wrap it and trying to keep it from sticking together but lift my boobs at the same time. So it's a lot to consider and think about. So, do I think the tape is good? It is awesome. Again, it's not going anywhere. I'm in place. Awesome tape. Can you do it by yourself? If you're not me and you have some luck, maybe so. The reviews that I have seen of this, outside of, the reviews I've seen, everybody's done the tape off camera. And I don't know if they had help or not, but for me, with these little arms, I need help. But the point of this is to let you guys know that this is some good boob tape. I know a lot of times people say there's no stay or stick, but